Today our topic is trigonometric table. Mostly we by heart the values of the trigonometric table, but sometimes we may get confused the values of sine and cos. So during exams, if you get confused, suppose you may get confused the values between what is cos and sine, then you don't know the particular value of that value. That means you don't know the particular value of sine 30 or cos 30. You may get confused whether the sine 30 is 1 by 2 or root 3 by 2. So you will get confused. So but the trigonometric table is depend upon sine values. That means if you got the values of sine, then you will get all those cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. So to simply without by having, we can remember the values of sine theta very simply. So how to remember values of sine theta? That means if you get sine theta values, then the cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant are simply identified. So now see how to remember sine theta. Now let's take five numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now after taking these numbers, you have to divide these numbers with 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. So 0 by 4 is equals to 0. We know that anything by 0, 0. And 1 by 4 is equals to 1 by 4. And 2 by 4, it gets cancelled 2 times, 1 by 2. That means it will get 1 by 2. And 3 by 4 means it will not change, it will be 3 by 4. And finally 4 by 4 means it will be 1. So after dividing with 4, we got these numbers 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1. Now apply root. Now apply root to these numbers. So what is the value of root 0? It's 0. And what is the value of root 1 by 4? Root 1 by root 4. That means 1 by root 4 value 2. Root 1 by 2. That means root 1 by root 2. That means 1 by root 2. And what is the value of root 3 by 4? How can we write root 3 by root 4? It's simply root 3 by root 4 value 2. And root 1 is equals to 1. So these are the values of the sine theta. So after applying root, we got these numbers 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. So these are the values of sine value. See here, 0, 1 by 2, 30 degrees, 1 by root 2, 45 degrees, root 3 by 2, 60 degrees, and finally 1, 90 degrees. So to get sine values, we have to remember 3 steps. That is, first take 5 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After taking those numbers, divide those numbers with 4. After that, final step is you have to apply root to those numbers. Then you will get the sine values. Now, how we will get cos values? Let's see. By reversing these sine values, that means here 90 degrees, 1, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0. See here, 0, 0. Now tan. What is tan? Tan, we can write sine by cos. In previous one, we had discussed about tan theta is equals to sine by cos theta. Now see, 0 divided by 1, 0. And 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, 1 by root 3. For 45 degrees, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Root 2 gets cancelled, it's 1. For 60 degrees, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Root 2 gets cancelled, it's root 3. And for this 1 by 0, anything by 0 is not defined. Now take, coming to cot theta, here 0, reciprocal of 1 by 0, not defined. Here 1 by root 3, reciprocal of 1 by root 3, it's root 3. Here 1, reciprocal of 1, 1. Here root 3, 60 degrees is root 3. Reciprocal of root 3, 1 by root 3. And it is undefined. Undefined means it will be 0. Now let's see for secant theta. Here secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. And here cos 0, 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. And reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. And reciprocal of 1 by 0. That means reciprocal of 0 is not defined. And coming to cosecant, it is a reciprocal of sine theta. Now here 1, 0, the value of sine 0 is 0. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. And reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of for 45 degrees 1 by root 2, it will be root 2. And reciprocal of 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3. And finally 1 becomes 1. This is the simple technique to remember the trigonometric table. So firstly, you have to remember the 3 steps, that is taking 4 numbers, those numbers should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and dividing those numbers, and dividing and applying root to those numbers, you will get sine values 0, sine 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degrees. You will get these values. So simply we can get this by reversing For cos theta we will reverse the sine values, and for tan theta we will divide sine by cos, and remaining three ratios will be reciprocal. Okay.